Hello, welcome back. Today we've just got the boards in for the gas sensing project, my JLC PCB. Just literally got them in like 30 minutes ago. Really excited too. It's just going to feel like Christmas again. Let's get into it. So really slid it open. Got some nice stickers from them, very kind of them. Probably plaster that everywhere. Bubble wrap. But the main things here. There it is. Doesn't that look good? A work of art, I must say. Absolutely beautiful. Really like that. Really like that. I'm really happy with how this turned out. So usually you check to see if any defects or stuff you're unhappy with. And I think it all looks good. I'm annoyed by that square thing now. It's different packages, isn't it? Or a different outline. Annoyed by that now. But that looks good. That does indeed look good. So put that down. I'm wondering what is this square material here. I believe this is the stencil I've ordered. I've actually never used one of these before. I've always been a bit afraid of SMD components in my own little projects that I've just used through hole and, you know, stuck them to corkboard, whatever. So this is going to be quite good. Put that down. What do we have here? I was a bit scared at that moment. I was like, oh, what is all this going on? So I don't know if this is like from past. I don't know what's the process into. I've seen a bit of it online, but not too sure. Maybe they use the same thing to drill it out. But this looks more familiar. So if I remember correctly, essentially what would happen is that you would stick your board right. Yeah, you'd stick your board. Sorry for all the shaking, I'm just wiggling my camera about. You stick your board right there and you place this on top, obviously on a fixed jig or fixture, you know, and you get your solder paste and get a squeegee and you just rub it right across. And what this makes is the solder paste, you'll get like solder paste bumps on there for the things you've left, and you can stick all your components on and put them through a reflow oven, or I guess air, or like hot air gun them, you know. So I've never actually done that before, so that'll be exciting. I'll be sure to make a video on that. That'll be really cool, I think. But yeah, really happy with how these turned out. And just, well, actually need to get the firmware finished first, but hey, we can use this to play around with once it's all soldered. Very happy with that.